This is an option for deserting land, so we can film here. Ooh. So all of this we can film, like some scenes. ¿También para allá se puede? Sí. Aquí caminando ella detrás de estas ramas secas, como cactáceas. She walking behind these plants. Can be great. We have a very good scenario here. If we want to film the landing, it's like this way and on that direction. Okay, so we can have a photographer over here in this place, so we can get this exact shot. Yeah, baby! Yeah!
¡Ay, Volti! ¿Tienen mucho viento ahí, dragón? ¿Cómo? ¿Tienen mucho viento ahí?
El sol sale de este lado hacia acá. Hacia acá. The sun rises here. So this is a cabin, like to practice skydiving. I think this is maybe this we can shoot something over here, maybe.
¡Venga, Fanny!
By the way, these are the glasses that can use our cosplayer, our model. You like it?